In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore and understand the different pricing plans available on Mailchimp. When setting up or managing your email marketing, understanding your options can be crucial for making the right financial decision for your business or project. If you're ready to dive into the world of email marketing pricing, let's get started. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and head over to Mailchimp's website. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. This is important because access to certain features requires being logged in. Once you're on the homepage and logged in, move your cursor to the top right corner where you can find and click on your profile icon. Here, a drop-down menu will appear, showing many options related to your account. Among these options, you should see Pricing Plans. Click on this option. Now, as you enter the Pricing Plans page, you'll notice a variety of options tailored to different needs and budgets. Mailchimp offers several plans including Premium, Standard, Essentials, and a free plan. Each of these plans serves a distinct purpose depending on your requirements and the stage of growth you're at, so it's worthwhile spending some time here to find the best fit for you. The Premium plan is the top-tier option, perfect for those who have large subscriber lists and need advanced functionality. It includes all the bells and whistles you could need, like advanced segmentation, multivariate testing, and up to 10 accounts. This plan is ideal if you're focusing on granular data analysis and customized marketing strategies. Next is the Standard plan, which provides excellent tools for growing businesses that need advanced automation but may not require the full range of premium features. It supports features like advanced audience insights and behavioral targeting. This might be suitable if you're looking to boost your email engagement with personalized content without the additional need for complex testing environments. Then there's the Essentials plan. This is a wonderful choice if you're getting your feet wet in email marketing. It includes core tools needed to design and automate emails and create ads. This plan allows some flexibility and creativity without overloading you with features you might not use just yet. Finally, explore the free plan. This plan allows you to access Mailchimp's foundational tools. It's perfect for those just starting out, providing you with the essential resources to manage your audience, create campaigns, and analyze how they're doing without incurring costs. It's a stepping stone to know whether Mailchimp meets your needs before investing more. Once you've reviewed your options and decided which plan might suit you best right now, you're all set. This exploration will enable you to make an informed decision about upgrading or downgrading your plan in the future as your email marketing strategies evolve. There you have it, a straightforward guide to exploring Mailchimp's pricing plans. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.